NACL in short for Network Access Control List. These are your virtual bouncers. They control both inbound and outbound traffic at the subnet level. DNS Options. Enable DNS hostname. Controls whether instances receive public DNS hostnames. Enable DNS resolution. Determines whether domain names are resolved within the VPC. Hello AWS aficionados and cloud computing enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series of 2 Minutes of AWS Mastery. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic that serves as the backbone for many AWS services, the Virtual Private Cloud or VPC. What is an AWS VPC? Simply put, a VPC allows you to define a logically isolated space within the AWS cloud where you can deploy AWS resources in a network that you control. A VPC is located in the region. Components of VPC, IGW, also known as Internet Gateway. This is your route to the Internet. Without it, your resources can't communicate outside the VPC. Public and private subnets. A subnet is located in the availability zone. Public subnets are usually where you place resources that need to be directly accessible from the Internet, while private subnets are for resources that you don't want to be directly accessed. NAT Gateway stands for Network Address Translation Gateway, which allows resources in a private subnet to initiate outbound traffic. Routing table. This is essentially a set of rules, often referred to as routes, that are used to determine where network traffic is directed. NACL in short for Network Access Control List. These are your virtual bouncers. They control both inbound and outbound traffic at the subnet level. DNS Options. Enable DNS hostname. Controls whether instances receive public DNS hostnames. Enable DNS resolution. Determines whether domain names are resolved within the VPC. DHCP option sets. The DHCP options set enables you to pass configuration settings like domain names to the instances when they are launched. VPN gateway. VPN gateways facilitate the secure transfer of data into and out of your VPC, particularly for your on-premises resources. VPC peering and more advanced TGW. VPC peering allows you to connect two VPCs privately. Transit Gateway or TGW takes it to another level by connecting multiple VPCs and on-premises networks through a single gateway. VPC endpoints. Finally, we have VPC endpoints, which allow you to privately connect your VPC to supported AWS services without requiring an internet gateway. Creation methods. You can create a VPC either manually using the AWS Console or programmatically using CloudFormation. We'll delve into this in upcoming episodes. Thank you so much, gurus. Your commitment to mastering AWS is what keeps this channel thriving. So stay tuned, keep learning, and elevate your cloud computing skills to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think would benefit from AWS Mastery. See you next time, gurus.